Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Asset Managed Enterprise database using Microsoft SQL Server. So right now I'm in SSMS, the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and so I'm going to create a new database. Right now we've got no databases defined. So I'm just going to right mouse click, and first thing is select Import Data to your application. And I'm going to create this database using a bacpac file. When you install a program, a bacpac file for Asset Managed Enterprise will be installed in your upsize folder. Click Next, and now I'm going to select the bacpac file, which is going to be in your upsize folder. Select it, open, Next. I'll just give it a name, Asset MNG 2010. Finish, and now it's going to create the database. So the database has been created with success. I'm going to click Close, and now I'm going to run Asset Managed Enterprise. Now I should add that I'll create another video about this. I should note that after creating this database, you need to create a Microsoft SQL Server connection to Microsoft SQL Server. I'm going to do a separate video on how to do that, which should be out in the next couple of days. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.